Hello and welcome to BrainBridge UPSC. I am Vaibhav Kulshrestha and this is answer writing program for Indian Economy GS paper 3. In the series, this is the sixth question and question is distinguish between care economy and monetized economy. Second part of this question, how can care economy be brought into monetized economy through women empowerment? So this is the question which was asked in 2023. Now, in this type of question, we can directly start from main body. इंट्रोडक्शन की कोई ऐसी स्पेस नहीं, क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर इसका थीम कहाँ से डिटेक्ट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन केयर इकोनॉमी एंड मोनेटाइज इकोनॉमी. इट मीन्स इन मेन बॉडी हम लोग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे, व्हाट इज केयर इकोनॉमी. So we will write about care economy. Then we will write about monetized economy. Monetized economy. So the first part is the difference or distinguish between these two types of economy. तो वो हमारा यहाँ cover हो गया. Now the second part of this question, that is how can care economy be brought into monetized economy through women empowerment. Then in third part we will write about it. Okay, how care economy would be monetized through वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. ओके, तो ये यहां पर पूछा है. वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट अबाउट इम्पैक्ट ऑफ वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. उसको भी हम यहां पर 2-3 पॉइंट में दिखा सकते हैं. एम्पावरमेंट एंड देन इन कंक्लूजन पार्ट वी विल सम अप द आंसर. ओके, अगर आप मेन बॉडी भी लिखते हो तो भी चलेगा. नाउ कम टू द मेन बॉडी पार्ट एंड फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, दैट इज डिफरेंस बिटवीन केयर एंड मोनेटाइज इकोनॉमी. सो केयर इकोनॉमी, द केयर इकोनॉमी मीन्स दैट सेक्टर ऑफ द इकोनॉमी which involve caregiving and domestic work, which includes both paid and unpaid labor. This encompasses activities such as child care, elder care, health care, household chores. Characteristics की बात करें, then often undervalued and invisible in traditional economic metrics, primarily involves tasks performed within households. Significant portion of this work is unpaid and predominantly carried out by women. Then essential for the well-being एंड फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द सोसाइटी. अगर ये ना हो तो हमारी सोसाइटी कैसे फंक्शन करे, हमारे अगर आपका घर कैसे चले. इंक्लूड्स इमोशनल एंड फिजिकल लेबर. तो दिस इज अबाउट केयर इकोनॉमी. नाउ कम टू मोनेटाइज इकोनॉमी. Monetized economy means all economic activities which involve transaction in which goods or services are exchanged for money. This is the traditional economic sector measured by GDP. तो इसको हम GDP से कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, मेजर कर सकते हैं. Now come to the characteristics of monetized economy. It encompasses all sectors where labor, goods, services are exchanged for monetary compensation. Activities are formally recognized and regulated. It includes sectors like manufacturing, services, technology, and finance. It means primary, secondary, tertiary, quaternary, quinary, all types of economic activities would be considered in it. Transactions are typically documented and taxed, क्योंकि मनी जाएगा तो टैक्सेशन होगा, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन होगा. So this is about the difference between both of them. Now come to the third part, integrating care economy into monetized economy through women empowerment. How? First, recognition and valuation. और इस स्टेप में आता है सबसे पहले पॉलिसी इनिशिएटिव्स. गवर्नमेंट कैन इंप्लीमेंट पॉलिसीज टू फॉर्मली रिकॉग्नाइज एंड वैल्यू अनपेड केयर वर्क. फॉर इंस्टांस, नेशनल अकाउंट्स could be adjusted to include estimates of unpaid labors. Second, public awareness. Increasing awareness about the economic value of care work can shift societal perception and recognize it as a vital part of the economy. Second, investment in care infra. Public services means investment in public child care, elder care, health care services can provide paid employment opportunities for caregivers. Subsidies and tax incentive. It provides subsidies or tax incentives for families to hire professional caregivers, can create formal job opportunities in the care sector. Third, education and training. Offering training programs for women in caregiving roles can professionalize these roles and improve employment prospects. Because mainly इन सारी चीजों को डील करने वाली वुमेन्स ही है. Accreditation. Establishing accreditation system for caregivers can help in standardizing and recognizing care work as a professional field. Fourth, fair compensation. Wage reforms होना चाहिए. Ensuring fair wages for paid care work through minimum wage laws and collective bargaining can elevate the economic status of caregivers. Second is social protection. Providing social security benefits, health insurance, retirement benefits for caregivers can offer financial stability and recognition. Fifth, entrepreneurship and cooperatives. Support for women entrepreneurs. Encouraging and supporting women to start their own care related business or cooperatives can empower them economically and create more formal employment opportunities. Microfinance and grants. Providing microfinance options and grants specifically targeted at women in the care economy can help them transition into formal economic activities. लोग अपने यहाँ प्रॉपर क्रैश वगैरह खोल सकते हैं. Legislation and advocacy. Legal framework. Establishing legal framework that protect the right of care workers, both paid and unpaid, can ensure better working conditions and recognition. Next is advocacy groups. Supporting advocacy groups that focus on women's right and care work can drive policy changes and societal recognition. So these are the steps by using which we can monetize the care economy, and इन सभी स्टेप से वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट होगा ही होगा, क्योंकि मेनली वुमेन्स इससे एसोसिएट है और वुमेन्स के लिए ही ये बात की जा रही है. और जब अगर वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट होगा देन व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट? फर्स्ट, इकोनॉमिक इंडिपेंडेंस मिलेगी, जेंडर इक्वलिटी विल इंक्रीज, अल्टीमेटली it will increase the economic growth of our country and further economic development would be seen. So this is the impact of women empowerment. आप एक लाइन में या 3 पॉइंट में इस तरीके से आप बता दोगे. Now come to the conclusion part. By implementing these strategies, care economy can be better integrated into the monetized economy, ensuring that care work is recognized, valued and fairly compensated, thereby empowering women economically and socially. So that is all for today. If you like our video, if you like our answer writing format and practice, if you are learning any new thing, then please like, share and subscribe my channel BrainBridge UPSC. Thank you.